Hi all. Good day. So today's welcome back to my channel, right? So today I'm going to walk through with you about a product I just came across on WhatsApp Plus, right? This is a complete free courses showing you step by step how to do a correct way of doing affiliate marketing, and you are able to make 100 day online with affiliate marketing and free traffic. So you click the link below my video, we are going to come to this uh, pages, right? The landing page, and this courses original price is 97 today. You're going to get this for zero courses, right? So the reason I introduce this course to you because I checked back the sales uh, conversion of this courses is just fantastic, right? You can see over 7,000 sales have been made and overall conversion rate is 61. And this has zero refund. And the good thing is this is a completely free course, right? And what is inside the course? So this is something that actually attract me. I want to share with you, right? So in front of you, you can see this is a complete courses, right? We're going to get from this Digi commission, right? And it have a few key topic: foundation, lead generation, marketing, and traffic generation next step, right? So just look at this. So basically, this courses is showing you the reality of the affiliate marketing, right? A lot of people they are struggling. 99% of people are destined to fail at making money online, and why? And this has been explained in these courses, right? So there's audio recording or video recording in each of the module. So you got to learn to realize why you fail and what are the key issue here. And the fact is a lot of people are just selling you a signing object, and you could be getting lost in this signing object. You could be spending a lot of money, a lot of time on this signing object, but you are not going anywhere with this signing object. So this is how he is going to show you the right way to do the affiliate marketing and how to avoid all these pitfalls, right? And the other thing is about talk about how we can do the right thing. Sorry. And the process of doing the affiliate marketing, right, is all shared here, and how we can write the traffic, capture the lead, and also do the email marketing follow-up, things like that, right? And how to get the niche selection, how to select the right niche from JVZoo or whatever some of the famous affiliate marketing marketplace, and what are the required tools also. And he also elaborate about this building basic and the lead gens mistake, what are the mistake email marketing process, right? And talking about copywriting, right? What is a copywriting headline to be used, things like that, right? In writing your email, right? And what the email marketing is like traffic generation is all also share here, right? Well, how the best way, what are the free traffic, paid traffic you can use it, right? To promote your affiliate, and what are the target audience you should be targeting, right? And what's the next step? And so it also show you what's the next step. And there are others advanced courses, right? Which you can actually join via this member area, whereby you can join the focus groups, or you can learn more about the advanced way of doing affiliate marketing, right? Whereby you can connect or engage with the rest of the like mindset people, right, inside the circle, right? And so this is a courses. You can learn a complete way of doing affiliate marketing, right? And what are the mistakes to be avoided, right? And how you shouldn't be addicted to the buying the signing objective. So that and the good thing is this is a completely free courses, and you can see how complete, how detailed is each of the module here, right? Right. So so it's totally free for you to pick up here or at the link below this video. So today, if you pick up the courses here, as a reward, to reward you, your loyalty, and become part of my audience for my channel here, I'm going to reward you exclusive bonuses if you sign up this daily commission via the link below my video, and daily commission is a totally free course. You're going to get all these bonuses and all this coming with the agency, right? All these are the web-based software, right? And I can just run through to you, right? What you'll be getting here, right? And all this software and all the courses about social media marketing, influential marketing, YouTube advertising, black book, copywriter black book, and also affiliate marketing success TV. And also you're going to get a 5,000 prompt also, ChatGPT prompt, if you are actually start learning how to leverage on AI to generate free content, right? Auxiliary and Stopwatch, all this free, tons of other bonuses you're going to get, right? Just to reward you for being a loyal audience to my channel, right? So as a small encouragement and motivation for me, I do subscribe to my channel, right? So I'll be able to have more motivation to share more value content in the future, right? So I hope you enjoy my sharing today, and click the link below this video and you come to this sales page. Just click the buy, get instant access, and you're able to get this daily commission for free. So once you sign up, you are allowed access to this member area whereby you can start learning everything about affiliate marketing. So that's all for today. Thank you so much, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.